So this one, chef, is chicken halang-halang.
Yes, this one is Boholo na style. So, ang nakalahian lang gid niya sa Cebuano is Boholano is sabaw with gata.
Sabaw with gata.
Yeah,
Chicken
so
halang-halang.
to make it a Solias twist, gi-grill na mo ang native chicken
Doh.
before gi-sabuan.
My goodness. But
Yeah.
most of the chicken halang-halang, kay gagmay siya nga, gichop siya nga pino. No?
Yeah, and
But this one
Cebuano
is different,
style is like adobo. Gigagmay gawa, ginagmay.
Oo.
But in Boholano style, it's a soup with coconut milk.
Oh, nako. My goodness. Thank you, chef.
No problem, sir. Yeah.
Go.
This one is anato squid head adobo. So basically, it's like adobo in Cebuano, but we take off the squid ink. So we make it sauteed with a lot of garlic, chili finger, gingers, and onions. Then to make it like a little bit orange, we put some anata oil.
Oh, yung mga spices niya, yung combination at saka balance ng garlic at saka pag-saute. Delicioso. Tara. And this one, chef, unsa na siya?
This one is our signature slab O-ribs. So this is braised for 4 hours, then marinated again with the Tex-Mex sauce, then put it in the oven to make it a little bit brown. Then we grill it to make a smoky flavor, and that's it.
Aside from lechon, ang larang is isa din sa pinakapaborito ko na dishes dito sa Cebu province. So, surprisingly na meron pala dito yan sa Sulaya. At mismo sa restaurant na ito, Sandy Point Beach Bar. Anyway, and let's try this one. So, there is a reason why you should visit this place. Kasi once na matikman nyo, talagang babalik-balik kayo. Hindi si chef ha, yung pagkain.
Welcome to Solaya Mactan Resort here at Sandy Point Beach Bar! Yeah!
Welcome back to my channel mga kamedya. It's me again, Stanley on Media. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Solaya Mactan Resort located in Mactan Island, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. At ang nasa likod ko is yung kanilang Sandy Point Beach Bar. Samahan niyo ako na tikman ang mga pagkain nila dito and let's eat! Una sa lahat, titikman natin yung napusuan ko. Ito yung chicken halang-halang na sabi ni Chef Jun, Boholano style. At kakaiba to mga kamedya. Kasi mostly halang-halang is yung traditional na halang-halang talaga para maliliit yung pagka-chop nila, di ba? Kakamayin ko na lang kasi mas gusto kong kinakamay yung food. Ayan. Wow. Grabe. Nakalimutan ko rin sabi na native chicken pala ito. So, yun mo ang chicken halang-halang ni Chef Jun. Talagang mare-recommend ko, kakaiba. Ibang style na chicken halang-halang. Level up talaga. But anyway, tikman naman natin yung larang na ito. Kung nakapollow ka sa page na ito mga kamedya, ako is talagang larang hunter ako dito sa Cebu province. Dahil, aside from lechon, ang larang is isa din sa pinakapaborito ko na dishes dito sa Cebu province. So, surprisingly na meron pala dito yan sa Suleya. At mismo sa restaurant na ito, Sandy Point Beach Bar. Anyway, and let's try this one. My goodness. Iba talaga. Whew. Wow. Oh, mapapadami talaga yung kain natin ito pag ganito kasarap yung larang na ito. Wow. Ayun mga kamedya, ang larang na masarap na dito lang pala sa lugar na ito. But anyway, yung sunod natin na titikman is itong adobo na sinabi ni Chef. So, nasatay po siya sa maraming garlic at saka maraming spices or local spices. So, let's try. Yan. Oh. No. Nasaan ba si Chef? Pwedeng tawagin. Pang-international yung lasa. No. Yung mga spices niya, yung combination at saka balance ng garlic at saka pag-saute. Delicioso. Ah. Naku mga kamedya, ang adobo, huwag niyo kalimutan na i-order niyan pag kung sakaling mapadpad kayo dito sa Suleya or sa Sandy Point Beach Bar. So tatlo pa lang yung natikman natin para talagang enjoying yung food mga kamedya. Well, yeah, tikman natin yung nasarap na natin mismo. And this one is the skewers, right? Skewers. That's right. Grabe. Lambot ah. Yun mga kamedyan ako. Chicken skewers. Woo! The best. And yeah. Ito kanina pa ako na tingin nito. I think this is an adobo rice. Meron siyang garlic at saka yan. So meron siyang pork bagnet. That's right.
Go.
Nako mga kamedya, tapos na tayong kumain at ang bilis na serve ng dessert na halo-halo. Yan, napakalaki ko. I believe this is good for 4 people or more than 4 people. But anyway, well, habang tayo kumakain ito ng dessert natin, nag-feedback tayo. When it comes to food, yeah, it's very amazing at highly recommended po. Especially yung personal favorite ko na natikman dito is yung salmon nila na larang at saka yung yung chicken na halang-halang kasi kakaibang style talaga na chicken halang-halang dahil malalaki yung slice niya. Tapos may syempre yung coconut yung coconut juice or yung tulo ng lube. At ang timpla na you will really enjoy po talaga. But yes, those are my personal favorites. Yeah, and mare-recommend ko rin doon yung adobo nila, yung octopus na nasutay sa garlic at maraming spices po na Filipino spices. Ayun mga kamedya. So when it comes to service, ang bilis po at ang babait nila dito. As in, parang pag sabi mong I need this, or yes, kailangan to to, yan, ganito, bibigay talaga kaagad. At when it comes to place, napakalinis po at napakalaki ng lugar nito. Talagang ito yung sinasabi nila na chill and grill. So, hindi naman na sinasabi natin na kailangan mo talaga mag-check-in, but I believe that meron silang day use or kung gusto nyo lang kumain sa kanilang mga restaurant and bar dito. At isa na po ito, highly recommended na po itong Sandy Point Beach Bar kasi sa likod ko dyan is may mga swimming pool at saka napakalaki ng area. At saka sa tabi niyan is dagat na. Yung white sand na dagat nila. When you say Sulaya, kompleto yan when it comes to resort, di ba? Well, that's it. When it comes to parking na, yan, maraming pa parking yan. Tapos medyo malayo lang sa Cebu City. I think you're going to travel from Cebu City going to Mactan Island. It will take only 20 minutes pag walang traffic. But yeah, usually pumunta dito mga tao is mga weekends, ganun. Pero pag gusto nyo weekdays, hopefully you can check in here at Solaya, Mactan. Right, so that's it. And kain mo po tayo ng dessert. Right, so mga media, yun, hindi lang pala ako nag-iisa dito. Meron tayong mga kasama na nag-try sa mga menu natin. Mga menu na na-try natin dito sa Sandy Point Beach Bar. But anyway, tanungin natin
So,
sila.
it's so nice here in Sandy Point Beach Bar because it's near the pool and also the beach. So, you can dine in before or after you go swimming. So, personally, the service is really good, super friendly, and it's also fast. Personal favorites go this chicken skewers, super juicy, and it also comes with various vegetables like pineapple, some bell peppers, onions, and also comes with sauce.
So, well, eto, nandito na si Chef Jun sa tabi ko mismo. But anyway, mga media, before I'm going to start the interview, magkakilala na po kami ni Chef Jun 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
10 years ago. Somewhere in Cebu City.
yeah.
Hotel and restaurant. So, wag na natin i-mention yung hotel and restaurant. But anyway, now, nice to see you again, Chef
Yes.
Jun. Sige, Chef Jun, bakit nilagay mo sa menu yung larang, yung chicken halang-halang, yung bangus, at saka yung masarap na adobo na pusit, at saka yung ribs, at saka yung skewers. Why?
Honestly, yung food na sinerve namin kanina is not yet available dito sa Sandy Point Cafe. So, ginagawa namin is like you, vloggers, we put all the future dishes that we might put it in our restaurant. Then, I choose this kind of food which is signature and most likely popular sa lugar ng Cebu. No? The larang is basically Cebu signature.
Yeah.
Tapos alam ko kasing Ilonggo ka. Kaya prepare ko yung maasim.
Yeah, exactly.
At the same time,
Talaga.
yung halang-halang, I know halang-halang in Cebu is quite different. Kasi parang adobo, tapos kinakat siya ng maliliit.
Maliliit.
ano,
Tapos may itim yung
yung sauce.
Soy sauce talaga
soy
yun
sauce
nilagay.
siya. Pero yung halang-halang na pinut up namin dito sa Sulaya is halang-halang na galing sa Bohol.
Wow.
So, yung halang-halang ng Bohol is native chicken na parang tinola. But may gata. Tsaka maanghang ng onte. Kaya yan tinawag na halang-halang sa Bohol. Tapos may adobo fried rice din tayo. Yun yung may topping na bagnet.
Oh yeah, for bagnet, yeah.
Kung natikman nyo yung bagnet, medyo may maasim.
Yeah.
Kaya nilagyan namin ng sour seasoning.
Yeah. I still remember the pork bagnet
Bagnet.
you created 10 years ago. Yan yung nalasahan ko talaga. Well, I think
Dala-dala pa rin.
hanggang ngayon nasa kanya talaga. Yeah.
Then we give you as well our signature dessert, which is Dalo Halo. Hoping you like it as well. The
was
big
too
portion.
much, grabe. I was thinking it was 4 to 5 person, but it's more than almost 10, di ba, Lola? Di ba?
Yeah. Tapos,
napakarami.
yung skewer namin na signature, which is yung napakagandang aloha chicken. Kasi may vegetable tsaka fruit siya. Swak na swak sa panglasang Pinoy na matamis-tamis.
Yeah, napakalambot at napaka-juicy. Tapos parang it melts in your mouth. And yeah, let's go back with the larang. Samon yung ginamit yun.
Yes.
Tapos napakalinis, hindi siya malangse. Kasi kadalasan na matitikman ko sa street food na larang, malangse siya. Yan yung kadalasan. Ba't dito? Nako. Two thumbs up talaga. Talaga nga, hanap-hanapin nyo at saka babalik-balikan nyo. So, there is a reason why you should visit this place. Kasi once na matikman nyo, talagang babalik-balik kayo. Hindi si chef yung pagkain. Okay, so what else? The adobo.
Yeah, the adobo as well. So parang for me as a chef, cost-wise, no? Parang gusto naming i-push lahat ng pwedeng ma-push. So ginawan ko ng menu yung squid head, which is nagswak naman sa panglasang Pinoy na garlicky, maasim-asim na maalat-alat. Kaya yun, doon nag-come up si squid head adobo.
Yes, and the adobo is one of my personal favorite. So, pagkain ko kanina ng 2 heads, nako, I stopped myself. Kasi sabi ko mapaparami yung rice ko, nako, mabubusog ako nito sa squid pa lang. Pinigilan ko yung sarili ko to try the other menu. So, I think we have already mentioned all the foods and yeah, the service at ang bilis, na yung quality. Talagang masasatisfy kayo. And yeah, please invite our viewers and followers. We have almost, I think, 500,000 viewers, 500,000 followers na tayo sa Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube.
Wow, that's a lot of followers. Ibang-iba ka na talaga.
Yeah, sige, invite mo yung mga viewers
Alright
natin.
guys, yung Sandy Point natin is open from Mondays to Sundays. Nag-start yung operation natin from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening. So, nag-o-offer tayo dito ng grilled items, Filipino dishes, and we have also our signature cocktails. Only here in Sandy Point because Soleya has 3 different restaurants. Then Sandy Point has its own signature of drinks and food.
Ay, yun mga kamedya. So, once na matikman yung mga pagkain dito, talagang babalik-balikan nyo ang pagkain, hindi siya. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video at maraming salamat and see you on my next vlogs.